So in today's video, I'm going to talk about serving sizes. Now, the recommended guidelines, the recommended dietary guidelines is always going to be a label that's on each and every food, and that is the servings. Everybody wants, to stay at a baseline, and what they want to do is to keep America at a certain, what they call normal, and you don't want to go under or above that, because if you go under it, you're not getting enough nutrients in your diet in order to maintain fuel or energetic levels for your day to increase the mood or enhance fatigue. You don't want to be fatigued during the day, and in order for that to happen is because you need certain vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in your diet. So at the end of the day, you want to stay at the serving size, and I feel like if America just literally stuck with the serving sizes on each and every food that they have, they will stay at the baseline. They will stay at the normal rate, and they will be perfect when it comes to BMI, their weight for their height, and America won't be obese or in that overweight category if they stuck with the servings, the recommended servings on each and every food. But what they do is that they go over it. They do 3, 4, 5 servings over, and that's not good, because now you're just putting in extra fats, extra trans fats, extra sugars, extra carbs that your body just doesn't need. And sometimes if you go lower than it, I'm saying lower for each and every serving, like throughout the day, at every single meal, then your body's just not getting enough nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So what I like to say is that, this is crazy to hear, but this is actually a fact. If everybody stuck to the recommended serving for each and every food that they eat, every single one, because each one has a label on the back. If they stuck to each and every recommended serving, either it be 1, 2, 3, whatever it says on the back, then they will stay at their regular BMI, their regular weight or height that is what they call or considered normal. So, but that's just not how America is, you take a bite of something and you're like, "Ooh, I like this," and you take 7 or 8 scoops of that, and it's just like, all right, now you went overboard. Or some people just like, they don't have an appetite and they go way underneath, and their body's just, that's called fatigue. Their body is not going to have enough production of energy, and their body will not have enough fuel for the rest of the day, that it's going to be fatigued and tired. So what I'm just trying to say is that look at each and every serving label and try to stick with the serving size for each and everything, if you go slightly over or you go slightly below, that's okay. But people, America is extreme, and they like to go over or under way too much, like by a lot. So that's just what I have to say. Just try to stick with the serving labels, the serving sizes for each and every food, and yeah, then America will just become way more healthy, and everybody will be considered the normal weight for their height, and they won't be obese or overweight. So that's what I have to say. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm going to keep posting as many videos as possible.